Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I decided that I wanted to do a skincare routine video. I do have a couple of these up on my TikTok and some in the shorts on my channel here, but I wanted to do kind of a sit down talk through one here on YouTube just because these are products that I absolutely love and I absolutely always reach for, especially when my skin is having some sort of trouble issue and people ask me about my skin all the time. Mashallah, Allahumma barik. I'm really not trying to brag. My skin definitely isn't in the best shape right now. I've got some discoloration, I've got some breakouts here, but I've always struggled with having really sensitive skin that I would have these really weird breakouts. I would get like fungal acne all over here. I'd get breakouts down here. I would get some like on the sides of my face. Alhamdulillah, I've kind of phased out of that and I've maintained or curated a skincare routine that definitely keeps my skin in check and brings it back whenever something crazy happens to it. My face is very dry, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with my skincare routine. And like I mentioned, these are products that I know and love and recommend to friends and whoever asks. So I hope that you can take something from this video, learn something from it. Leave me in the comments what your favorite skincare products are, or if you've used these products that I am going to show you, and let me know what you think. And if you had any adverse reaction to them, let me know what you think with that as well. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to be showing you guys the products that I use in the order of how I layer them onto my skin. We're going to be skipping cleansers for this video just because I kind of go throughout cleansers for a while, so I always use different ones on different days. Haven't really been super consistent with one specific one to notice much difference in my skin, but I will come back with a cleanser video if you so desire. Please let me know in the comments. So the first product I want to introduce to you guys is something that has actually been featured on my channel already, and it is this Natori Mugi skin conditioner. So I love this product, especially because it's super liquidy, it's super watery. I use this as a toner right before I go in with anything else. So I'll use this on damp skin, or if I've been sitting out for a while, kind of like this, where my skin is dried up, I will use this to dampen my skin before I go in with any other skincare product. So how I apply this is I just take it on my hands, I just pour it in my hands, or I use it and pour it on my face. I try not to touch the tip to my face for bacteria contamination reasons, etc. If it happens, no worries, it cannot be helped. And then I just put that all over my face, let it drip down my neck. It's totally fine. It works wonders. It does keep my skin very moisturized and very soft. It's a skin conditioning milk, and I absolutely love this. This is probably my third purchase, and the bottles are fairly large. This will last you a very good while. You do not need tons of product. So the next product that I'm going to be showing you is going to be this snail mucin. Snail mucin is tried and true. This is the CosRx snail essence. I absolutely love this. This is my first time trying something like this. I like the consistency of it, and I apply this directly after my skin conditioning milk. When my skin dries down just a little bit or is a bit damp, I put this right on top. Serum that has this kind of slimy consistency. As you can see in the bottle, it is quite viscous, and I find that this really preps your skin for being super smooth and soft to the touch. The third product that I've been using for a while is the CosRx 2-in-1 Power Poreless Liquid. I do think there has been a noticeable change in the size of my pores. I absolutely hate the way it looks when I'm very oily or sweaty and you just see the pores kind of pop out. I absolutely hated that look, so I went ahead and got this. So sometimes in terms of steps of applying onto my face, I will go in with the snail mucin first at times and then come in with the pore liquid, or other times I'll go in with this first after my face has dried down from the skin conditioning milk and then go on top with the snail mucin. In today's case, I've done the snail mucin first, so now I'm going to go back in with the poreless power liquid. It's less viscous than the snail mucin, as you can see, so a little does go a long way. I just apply it onto my fingers and rub it into my face, just all over my face, focusing especially on the areas where my pores tend to appear the largest. Now after my face has dried down, I like to go in with a light moisturizer, especially now in the summertime in the East Coast. It is insanely humid, so I like to go in with the Muji skin conditioning milk. I absolutely love this. I've repurchased this as well. It is a light moisturizer. It's hydrating. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy on the skin, and even using on my body, it feels really nice as well. So like I mentioned, when my pore perfector dries down, I go ahead and go in with this, and then after this is the last step, which is my sunscreen. I definitely will always go for a sunscreen that has no white cast. It will not leave me purple, gray, white, any color in between but my own. So recently I've been using this Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Moist Sun Serum. So it's in the consistency of a serum, but it is a sunscreen. I have had no issue with this so far. This is in an SPF 50 formulation, so I have pretty sensitive skin and I've had no issues, knock on wood, alhamdulillah. So I definitely do recommend this as well. And once my sunscreen is on, that is the complete skincare routine. I absolutely love how glowy this routine makes me look. If we look at how I looked at the beginning of the video when I was super dry, super ashy, having just come out of the shower, to how I look now, the proof is in the pudding, and I do maintain this glow throughout the day, I have noticed. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you learned something from this video. I hope you take something from it. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite skincare products are. If you like to keep it more on the minimal side, 2 to 3 products tops, or you like to kind of go above and beyond and get all the topical treatments, the eye creams, and all of that. But go ahead, let's have a convo in the comments, and I'll see you all in my next video.